Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to cut and save any part of mp3 with very easy and fast way. So, let's start. I've already had Audacity, which is the best app ever. If you don't have it, just go to your browser, type Audacity download. Go to the first site, download it for your system. In my case, I choose Windows. Click on the installer, leave everything as it is and install it. It's saying already exists, so I cancel this one. I hope you have installed it successfully. Now, let's cut it. Run the app, drag and drop your mp3. Select any part. For example, I need this part only. I selected about 20 seconds. And the best moment, press Ctrl+T. Stop. Like the video right now, so that it will help others too. Now, move this part to the beginning. So, it's almost done. Now, we export it as mp3 format. Go to File, Export as mp3. I select Desktop, give new file name, save it, and OK. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!